All right, guys. Happy Thursday to everybody. It is U.S. Open, day one. Talking golf here. And now we're opening basketball. David T., one box, 1920. Prizm choice. I appreciate the order, buddy. Good luck. Let's see what we got. Let's hit that guy right on the cover there. Mr. Zion. Let's find him. All right, we are going to begin with a silver rookie. It's always a good start. Is Terrence Mann Clippers. Terrence Mann Clippers. The pride of South Lakes High School in Reston, Virginia. Mr. Grant Hill. Grew up about 15 minutes away from our warehouse. All right, next up is a Tiger Stripe. And it is Damari Carroll. That's a cool hit coming up next. Tiger Stripe, Damari Carroll. I think you're going to like this one. Had a fantastic year. Numbered 4 of 8. Sensational signatures. Green parallel, Chris Paul. 4 of 8. Real nice piece right there. All right, next up is red parallel of Jaren Jackson Jr., Memphis Grizzlies. That one is 56 of 88. And then we're going to get into our tricolors. Got 3 of them. First one is Karl Anthony Towns, T-Wolves. Followed by a rookie, Jordan Poole, Warriors. And we will finish up the box with final tricolor, and it is Chris Dunn, Chicago Bulls. All right, David, I appreciate it, buddy. If I can get you anything else today, let me know. If you decide to, again, place the order on the website for the other products from 1920, let me know, and I'll be sure to coordinate and have that here tomorrow. Appreciate it, man.